So we're here excavating on this area. We had a leak in the pool, and we determined it's coming from the vacuum line. Pressure tested the vacuum line and excavated down, and sure enough, we got water. The size of the boulder here, almost the same size as that paver there, sitting right on top of the pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna add pressure test rig. The bubble, the current, right there. That's the water source. It's coming from towards the wall of the pool. It's coming from inside the wall. All right, today we're going to be draining out this swimming pool because we did a leak detection on it, and we determined that the vac line is actually leaking. The unfortunate part of where it's leaking at is actually inside the wall. So we're going to have to basically drain the whole entire swimming pool today, and then we're actually going to have to break through the wall to remove the inner fitting and rebuild it back to the main line. And before we rebuild it back, we're going to ensure and we're going to test the remainder of the vac line from this point all the way back to the system. All right, so right down there is where our main sewer line is. So we're going to point our hose to run down the swale going back this way. All right, so we got pool R pumping out. We'll be back a few hours later. We have our float device, which is going to automatically turn off our pump for us. We should retain about a few feet of water inside of the swimming pool. All right, we got our electrical all backed up to prepare for any rains that we've already been getting in the area. So we'll be back and we'll see how it is. Gonna be probably a part series on this one, so stay tuned. All right, we're inside the pool. Everything drained down. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the reason why this leaked. The unfortunate thing is the builder, when they installed this pipe, a lot of builders, they like to, this is the wall adapter that goes, it's a sleeve that goes inside the pipe. They forgot to glue it, and they like to put it in the pipe like so, and then they plaster around it. The unfortunate thing is that this was not able to come out without doing this construction, and this was leaking out through here. And what is even the fault of really the pipe is more of the fault of poor construction and poor plumbing practices. So we're gonna take this remainder part out. We're gonna send a new pipe in, pull the new pipe out, reseal it from the front and the back side, and get this project going. Let's get to some more drilling. All right, so we drilled through the wall, and here goes our pipe. Got a little bit more cleanup left to do here. And then we're gonna be sending a new pipe right through there. Pressurizing the remainder line. Make sure everything else is good from our cut point back to the system. We're holding steady here at 11 pounds of pressure. This is safe to say that we can go ahead and attach our extender pipe out through the wall and continue with our construction. right, so we've been having a ton of rain. It's all rainwater down there, and we're on our final process. We already got the pipe and the inner wall all sealed up from both the front and the back. There it is, all sealed up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plaster the front with some Diamond Bright blue color, and we're gonna activate it and make it go faster with a little bit of calcium, the drying process. All right, that's all she is. Plastered, pipe cut,